Hello, and so for today in class on Wednesday, because Tuesday we didn't have school, we went back over line quality. We reviewed what a contour line is. So if you don't remember, it is just the basic outline of whatever you're trying to draw. But today we were focusing more on what line quality is. So we went more over this. And if you keep scrolling, it gives an explanation of the thinness and thickness and which line should be thicker and which should be thin. And then we did a drawing exercise. So this took up most of the class period. So what we did is we drew this jack, which can be found on the module page. It's called shape drawing right here. So I had them draw just the basic contour of this image first. And this should fill up a normal piece of paper. You can draw it horizontally or you can draw it vertically, either one. We talked about the contour and how to draw that. So you want to keep in mind like all of these lines like this here and like this little line and this little shape you see here and all of these. Those are still part of the contour line, so they had to draw those. And I have my example in here for you. So we focused on first just drawing the basic contour, which you can see here. And then from there in pencil, we went and made some lines thicker and some thicker or thinner, focusing on where the light hits and where the shadows were at. After that, we went over it in a Sharpie. If you don't have a Sharpie, that's 100% okay. If you have a pen, pens do just fine as well. You might have to go over the area a few times to get it thicker. And then we worked on erasing. So at the end, we have just this drawing here of a jack that was done in pencil, but now we've done thin and thick lines. And you can see how much more realistic that looks than our first picture up here of just the outline of it. So compare that to that, and this is a more interesting picture, even though it's the same thing, it's just small things are changed about it. That is all we did today, and I'll have a new video for you tomorrow over what we are learning. Hope you're doing well. Bye.